Now that seems to be everything inside the box. Very nice and secured packaging. All of that you need, more than you need, will come with the box. And man, I really love the kind of drawer style. I think it makes the unboxing experience so much better. Without further ado, let's actually go ahead and start building this keyboard. Follow along, but feel free to correct me if you guys have any suggestions. Put it over here like so, as you can see. Then after that, put the FET case foam just like so. For the plate, we do have 4 options, but yeah, I'm gonna be using the aluminum over here. Go. And then I'm also going to be using their cork type material sandwich thingy over here. But yeah, before we do all of this stuff, we will need to apply the stabilizers to the PCB first. I do have some 1.6 over here, ZOOM75 TIGA stabilizers. And we're also going to be lubing the stabilizers over here. So I got the stabilizers installed and lubed. Very nice. Now let's go ahead and do the sandwich over here. Yeah, let me go ahead and just cut this. I'm gonna go ahead and insert the stuffs under the stabs. Just insert this under over here. Now for the thicker sandwich, just like so. That should be good, and it should go like that. Now for the switches, we're going to be using some Whichway Studios WS Palm Plus linear switches. We're also going to be using it to hold the plate and the sandwich, everything down. So let's get started. Oh, and yeah, we're supposed to not fill these two over here, so the screen, for the screen, yeah. Switches installed. I still got a few extras over here, which is very nice. And yeah, you probably heard it already. These switches sound very good. They are also pre-lubed. But okay, now let's go ahead and choose a mounting style. We have 4 options over here: top mount, silica gel, split o-ring, and an elastic bar. We're gonna go with elastic bar for now. We'll see if we're gonna go ahead and try the other mounting options as well. Maybe. I'm kind of curious as well on how they'll perform. So this is how it looks like up close. This tree is gonna be under the PCB, this bouncy stuffs. So just put this like so, and the other side like so. We're gonna do that 8 times. Here they are installed. Oh, it fell. But yeah, installed pretty nicely over here. So make sure you attach this over here. There we go. And then just make sure you align these stuffs as well at the side. And it's actually lighting up already, as you can see. And yeah, there's the little rubber thingy holding the stuffs in place. You should now be able to close it off. Here it is. The RGB is looking very nice. Now I have some keycaps over here from Newfie. They are the Canopus Shine True Cherry keycaps, and I think it would look pretty good here. I'm sure there's a lot of other keycaps that will also fit this keyboard, but yeah, I think this would fit pretty well. Okay, all keycaps installed. I think it looks very nice. It's kind of bright right now, so you cannot really see it see-throughing the keycaps. But yeah, it does. You can kind of see it in real life. But yeah, it does look very nice. Now you guys are probably waiting for the sound test. Here's how it sounds like. Now, I think that sounds very amazing, bro. It does give a pretty unique sound, definitely because all of the materials we used inside as well, pretty unique. The cork, sandwich, stuff like that. The switches as well sound very nice, along with the whole keyboard. I really love it, and the mounting style as well is performing pretty good. It does give a unique feeling bounce to the keyboard. I really like it. Now, I'm not sure if this is gonna be the bounciest or best mounting style for me, so without further ado, let's actually go ahead and try a different mounting style. I actually want to try the O-ring mount, so let's see that. So here's what we're gonna be needing: the O-ring over here, and then the screwdriver. We have to be careful with this one since the screws are quite small. So first, screwdriver, screw this little thing over here, screw it in like so. Do that 8 times. After screwing all 8 pieces in, now go ahead and get the O-rings over here and the PCB as well. So this is what we're gonna do. Just put this like so, and there we go, all 8 pieces installed. Now we just go ahead and put that on top of the table like thingies that we installed earlier, screw in earlier. And while doing that, make sure all the components are lined up. The elastic bar mount actually felt a little bit more bouncier in my own opinions, and I think it does sound a little better for me. I mean, not really a big difference, I think, but I think I like the elastic bar a little bit more feeling wise and maybe a little bit on the sound wise. What do you guys think? Yeah, I kinda like the elastic bar more actually. Anyways, lastly, you know what, let's go ahead and test the silica gel as well. This should probably be the easiest to install. Now, I'm not gonna be doing the top mount because it's kind of hard to disassemble or pop the case open with the tray mount on, since you won't be able to push down on the PCB over here since it's already, you know, it's mounted on the top. But yeah, for the silica gel over here, we're just gonna go ahead and insert this little thingies over here in this hole, just like so. Yep, there we go. Very easy to install, all 8 pieces. No problems with it, still feels pretty good. I think it sounds pretty good as well. It does change the sound a little bit from what I can remember from the past 2 mounts. And the feeling as well, very unique. It is a little bit stiffer, kind of close to the split O-ring, but yeah, not as bouncy as the elastic bar still from what I can remember. But yeah, I think I'm gonna go back to the elastic bar mount. I think that fits me more. For me personally, I like that the best. But yeah, out of all, this is gonna be the easiest to install. So if you're just getting lazy, this might be for you. But yeah, again, as I mentioned, the top mount will need a lot of patience to disassemble if you're planning to use that. But okay, now we're back to the elastic bars. Yeah, I think I love the elastic bars the best. But yeah, again, all have different personal preferences. Very nice options to have all of those different mounting options. Let's go ahead and plug it in over here. drag my monitor over here. But okay, I have the software over here. It works with Via, as you can see, and I just had to upload it over here. Where is it? The draft definition, was it? Or so I had to upload a JSON file. Then after uploading that JSON file, everything went pretty smoothly. I was able to pair it. But okay, web-based software, as you can see over here. Let's get started. What do we have here? We can reprogram all of the keys. Very nice, very customizable. As you can see, even the knob over here, it is currently on volume. But yeah, we can also reprogram that whatever we want to. We also have different layers, as you can see. Very nice. Next, we have layouts. We can split the backspace if we want, split left shift if we want, ISO, encoder. You do have bottom row. We do have 7U, 6.25U, split space, LCD. I'm gonna go ahead and turn that on. You can also set different macros, as you can see. Save, load, import, export, lighting. Here's all of the different effects. I like reactive ones, if you know me. So let's see. Oh, here it is. Solid multi-flash. So whenever I click, as you can see, and then for the color, I would go for something like orange yellow, like that. I like that. Okay. Effect speed, we can make it slower to make it smoother. There we go. I really like this one. I'm pretty satisfied with this one. I hope you can see the effect, even though the room is very bright. And then next, we do have key tester over here as well to test if everything's working. And yeah, very nice software. But okay, after updating the firmware, customizing it on Via, now I have the Pocket Which Way app over here, and I'm uploading a different screen background. As you can see, here's the steps. If you're curious, I'm pretty sure I can show this. It's just how to download it. It's downloadable in Apple Store or Play Store. Yeah, just do this, do that, and connect the device, and then you can go ahead and upload it over here and customize it. Now for the LCD, we can do FN delete to turn it off, and FN delete again to turn it on. We also have FN plus page up. Oh, so we can change the, so yeah, we can do CPU, GPU, RPM, and MBPS. We can check that over here. We have neon grid, mechanical age. What is, oh, this is amazing. I like that one. Do have FN plus enter to go to subpage. Oh, now we can do CPU, MBPS, RPM. Emotional moment. What is this? What is this theme? Oh, is it this? Oh, it's like the theme of the whole time screen thingy. So like the font of the time, right? And then the icons, the text. Now we're at mechanical age. Do emotional moment. And so, oh, there's a happy face there. Yeah, it doesn't really matter if I'm just gonna use like one of these GIF animation thingies. And for some reason, I'm having trouble uploading an image at the moment. Yeah, I can't really upload a custom animation right now. I really like the screen. The default one over here is very amazing, cute. The lion, as you can see. But yeah, so far, I've been really loving the keyboard. I think it is very customizable. And if I forgot to mention the specs, for those that are interested, I'm just gonna go ahead and flash a picture on the screen and go through them very fast, the specs. But yeah, the GB time will be late October to early November. The price will be around 200 USD. Here's a more detailed price chart if you're interested. Here's also all of the different colorways that you can go for. You definitely have a lot of options. I almost forgot about the different modules we got over here. So if you don't like the screen, you can replace it with this. I showed it to you earlier on the unboxing, but yeah, you can, if you don't like that, you can just replace it with this. Very simple, very nice design as well. And then I almost forgot over here the little rear badge. I'm definitely gonna be using this. I showed it earlier as well on the unboxing, but you can go ahead and put it over here. Just do that. Very nice, very customizable. But yeah, other than that, it does have a material of 6063 aluminum, full CNC, battery capacity of 2x, 4000 mAh batteries, foam. You have standard Poron or cork sandwich. I got the non-flex cut PCB, but you can also get it with the 1.2mm flex cut PCB. Both ISO and ANSI compatible, very nice. And of course, we also have the customizable options, the rear winglets that I showed you earlier. This guy's over here. And then we also have the rear badge, as you saw we just put on, and then the sole grill. And we also have 4 mounting systems. We did test some of those as well. Very nice, very customizable. Typing angle 6.5, force brake mod, yes. Front height 17.57 millimeters. Keyboard width 323.77 millimeters. Connection tri-mode or single mode. ESD protection, support VIA or QMK. Catchable system, yes. Screwless. Install, yes, except top mount. Very nice specs. I don't have any problems with those. Overall, an amazing keyboard. I really love it. Had an amazing experience so far. Even as a beginner, I had no problems building the keyboard. Really nice. I loved how it turned out. The customizability options are just through the roof with this keyboard. Very nice. I'd definitely go ahead and recommend it. I think it is worth it for the price, but yeah, again, the price will vary differently. Still, amazing keyboard. I love it. No problems with it. First link in the description. And yes, Whichway did send me this keyboard, but that won't change my review. Everything that you've been hearing are my honest opinions and review. I pray and hope that this video helped you in some way. I'll go ahead and see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to stay grateful, and remember, Jesus loves you. Bye bye.